Hey, hello. I'm going to walk you through how to set up a super simple and effective customer queue management using Google Sheet, Google Form, and a display board to show which window is serving which customer. This setup is perfect for businesses like bank, service center, or anywhere with the multiple service windows. And it's completely in Google Sheet, so that's free. So let me walk you through how this system would work or what all things are required. This is one Google Sheet where we have window 1 which can be used by the service agent sitting in window 1. Similarly, we have window 2 which will be used by the window 2 service agent. So both of these service agent will see the list of customer names, and then as soon as they want to serve any of these customers, they'll just click here saying that I am serving a customer. At the same time, the window 1 user will come to know because the color of this row will change to yellow to show that yes, the this customer is already being served by another window user agent. So, and we have one more display screen. This can be used to display on a bigger screen where the customers can keep on checking and understand that customer is being served by window 1 or window 2, or the customer is still in the queue. So now the next thing is how we need to find some way so that the customer can even enter their data. So as soon as a customer walks in, he can use the Google form and then enter the data. Now for this Google form, you can even create a QR link of this Google Forms link, and what the customers can do is they'll scan, and this will open a Google form where they will enter their name. For example, let's enter some name. My test name, last name. So customer will open this form and hit submit. As soon as you submit the request, you will have a new entry here, and this entry is part of the queue. Also for the agents, they can check in window 1 and window 2 the list of the customer. Now let me switch to opening multiple tabs of the window so that I can show you how this whole system works, or how the display screen is kind of changing in a dynamic way, and how this would work. So let's assume I am window 1 user, so I want to start serving the first user, which is John. Let me scroll this a little bit right side here. So this user John is in queue. I'll click on this row, this checkbox. So immediately window 2 user know that John is being already served by the window 1 user. So John should he can skip John and start picking the other user. At the same time, John would come to know in the screen that window 1 is where he has to go for getting the service. Now let's assume window 2 user is picking Peter. So Peter's name will disappear from here, and Peter's name will come in this window 2 display screen. Now window 1 user has done with serving John, so he'll click on complete. As soon as he hit on complete, the name will disappear from window 1, and also there will be a strike through in all the screens. So window 2 user also know that John is already being served. Similarly, window 1 user starts picking test name, the next user. So the test name user will disappear from queue and appear in window 1. So like this, both the users can keep on working in parallel. All they need to do is check the rows which are not highlighted, that means they are not picked, and click on serving and then complete it. The display board will keep on getting updated, and all the new customers would just scan this QR code to open the form and they can submit their names. I'll share the link in the YouTube comments. Hope you like this video. Thank you.